modern electronic devices. Flexible PCBs are the core of bendable, space-saving products. Foldable phones, smartwatches, in-car cameras, and medical probes all rely on this technology. Compared to rigid PCBs, its production demands extremely high precision, materials, and process control. Here's a quick look at the core processes. Flexible PCB production involves 4 core stages. First comes design and material preparation. CAD software handles routing and specialized bending radius design, while high-temperature resistant polyimide substrates and bend-resistant rolled annealed copper foil are selected, paired with specialized insulating protective films. Next is pattern formation. Photolithography transfers circuit patterns. Chemical etching creates fine copper traces, followed by precise thermal lamination of protective films. Next comes biofabrication, where laser or high-precision drilling creates holes, followed by copper plating to establish interlayer connections. The final stages involve finishing and testing. Surface treatments enhance pad solderability, and after cutting and forming, the boards undergo electrical continuity checks, OE defect scanning, and simulated bending tests to ensure reliability. While subtractive etching remains the industry standard, more eco-friendly additive printing technologies are being explored. Mastering flexible PCB production is fundamental, but precise component integration is key. Shenzhen Kaboer operates its own advanced factory, offering one-stop services from flexible PCB manufacturing and component sourcing to SMT assembly and final testing. With comprehensive quality control throughout the entire process, we help bring your product ideas to life.